What is the cost to paint the exterior of your home? The answer is, it depends. There are several different factors that determine the investment. That's why any reputable painting company should take the time to see your home in person before giving you any price assessment. The first thing we look at is the size and the complexity of your home. A one-story ranch is very different from a three-story home with dormers, steep roof lines, multiple gables, or difficult to reach areas. Accessibility plays a big role in the amount of labor required. Next, we evaluate the condition of the existing surfaces. Is the paint peeling? Is there wood rot? Are there cracked boards, failed caulking, mildew, chalking, water damage? The quality of an exterior paint job starts long before the first coat of primer is applied. Proper preparation, including power washing, scraping, sanding, caulking, and replacing damaged materials when necessary, is what helps your paint job last for years. The type of surface also matters. Painting wood siding is different from stucco, brick, vinyl, fiber cement, aluminum, or engineered wood products. Every surface requires a different approach, different preparation, and sometimes different products to ensure the best long-term result. Speaking of products, not all exterior paints are created equal. Premium paints are designed to withstand the sun, rain, humidity, temperature changes, and everything else Mother Nature throws at your home. Choosing the right product can make a significant difference in how your home looks and how long the finish will last. If you're comparing painting companies, don't just compare prices. Make sure they're fully insured and ask if they carry both general liability and workers' compensation insurance. Read their online reviews, not just the star rating, but what customers are actually saying. Look for a company with a proven track record, strong communication, and years of experience serving your community. And ask about the preparation process, the products they'll be using, and what's included in the proposal. A detailed written estimate should clearly outline the scope of work so everyone knows exactly what to expect. You should also ask about their warranty and how they handle any issues after the product is complete. Finally, remember, your home's exterior is one of your biggest investments. A quality paint job doesn't just improve curb appeal. It protects your home from the elements and helps preserve its value for years to come. Choosing the right contractor is every bit as important as choosing the right color. At Groovy Hues, we offer free, no obligation consultations throughout the Philadelphia area and the suburbs. We'll inspect your home, explain exactly what we recommend, answer all your questions, and provide a detailed quote that's customized specifically for your project. We'd love the opportunity to earn your business. If you're in the hunt for an exterior painting project, give Groovy Hues Painting a call today. We will come out, listen to your needs, make recommendations, and see if we're the best fit for your project. We look forward to meeting you soon.